नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु मु ज्ञान रंजन स्वागत करुच्ची आपको फाइट फॉर एग्जाम यूट्यूब चैनल को जदि आपण एपर्यंत आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करना यथाशीघ्र करनी जो रिसेंट अपडेट आपारे और आपंकर एग्जाम प्रिपेरेसन बहुत हेल्पफुल हो। नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु मु ज्ञान रंजन पुणी थे आपको स्वागत करुच्ची आज एपिसोड को आज हूँ षष्ठ एपिसोड मुझे कंटिन्यूस भाव में आपण सीटीबीडी इंपोर्टाट क्वेश्चन जो अच्छी सीटीबीडी से सब नहीं आसी यथाशीघ्र आम चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करूँ ताफल आम जो रिसेंट अपडेट आसपारे और आपन को एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन बहुत हेल्पफुल हो। आम चैनल है फाइट फॉर एग्जाम आप यूट्यूब रे सर्च करूँ जदि करना लिंक रे लिंक रू करी आप सब्सक्राइबर बढ़ातु और आप किसी सजेसन जदि अच्छी पठातु। चलतु आज आरंभ करवा आज इंग्राजी बहुत बड़ा एपिसोड न्यूज इंग्राजी चलतु आरंभ करवा आज प्रथम प्रश्न क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आई नीड टू बाय ऑप्शन गुड़ी कहला सठिक उत्तर आप कमेंट रे थिबा कमेंट सेक्शन रे लिखि पठांतु एवं सब्सक्राइब करंतु। ऑप्शन गुड़ी कहला ए ब्रेड ए लोफ ऑफ ब्रेड सी ब्रेड्स डी ए स्लाइस ऑफ ब्रेड सठिक उत्तर होची ए लोफ ऑफ ब्रेड खंडे ब्रेड आई नीड टू बाय ए लोफ ऑफ ब्रेड करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी आई नीड टू बाय ए लोफ ऑफ ब्रेड। जो परवर्ती प्रश्न को क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 माय फादर इज नॉट ओनली द टाउन he runs dash to my father question number 2 my father is not only the town mayor एवं छाड़ देथिले ठी he runs dash to my father is not only the town mayor he runs dash to ऑप्शन गुड़ी कहला ए बिजनेसमैन बी ए पीस ऑफ बिजनेस सी बिजनेसमैन डी सम बिजनेस सठिक आंसर होची आपनकर ए बिजनेस माय फादर इज नॉट ओनली ए टाउन मेयर ही रन्स ए बिजनेस टू ए बिजनेस इज द करेक्ट आंसर। जी परवर्ती प्रश्न को क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 the dash produced at our factory in Pune the dash produced at our factory in Pune ऑप्शन गुड़ी ए गुड्स आर बी गुड्स इज सी गुड्स आर डी गुड्स इज सठिक उत्तर आपणकर गुड्स आर द गुड्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड एट आवर फैक्ट्री इन पुणे ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर गुड्स आर। जी परवर्ती प्रश्न को क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 I am looking for dash to cut this string I am looking for dash to cut this string ऑप्शन गुड़ी कहला ए पेयर ऑफ सीजर्स ए सीजर्स सम सीजर्स सठिक उत्तर होची सम सीजर इज द करेक्ट आंसर I am looking for some scissors to cut this string। Go to next question question number 5 I am watching TV at home when suddenly dash rang options are a doorbell and doorbell the doorbell correct option is the doorbell is the correct answer I am watching at home when suddenly the doorbell rang। Next question question number 6 I have always liked options are Chinese food of China some foods of China the Chinese food correct option is Chinese food is the correct answer I always Like, I have always liked Chinese food. Question number 7. In our country, most children go the age of 5. In our country, most children go dash the age of 5. Options are A school, B to school, C some schools, D to schools. Correct answer is to school. In our country, most children go to school at the age of 5. Next question. Question number 8. We haven't had a holiday for dash time. Options are A so long, B so a long, C such a long, D such long. Correct answer is such a long. We haven't had holiday such a long time. Go to next question. Question number 9. Our friend have a house in dash. Options are A West Delhi, B the West Delhi, C West Delhi, D West of Delhi. 9. Question number 9. Correct answer is C West Delhi. Our friends have a house in West Delhi. Go to next question. Question number 10. The dash faulty. The dash faulty. Equipments are equipments was equipments were equipment were. Correct answer is B. The equipment was faulty. The equipment was faulty. So correct answer is B. Option number B. The equipment was faulty. Go to next question. 11. Call an ambulance. There has been dash. Call an ambulance. There has been dash. Options are accident, an accident, some accident, the accident. So correct answer is an accident. There has been an accident. Go to next question. Question number 12. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to buy. Options are a bread, some bread, a loaf of bread, breads. So correct answer is some bread. I am going to buy some bread. Option number B is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 13. Mamata works at a big hospital. Mamata works at a big hospital. She is. Options are a nurse, the nurse, and nurse. So correct answer is a nurse. Option number B is the correct answer. Mamata works at a big hospital. She is a nurse. Go to next question. Question number 14. She works 6 days dash week. Options are A in, B for, C a, D the. So correct answer is A. She works 6 days a week. Correct option is C. So answer is A. Next question. There are million of stars in dash. Options are A space, B a space, C the space, D this space. So correct answer is space. A. Option A is the correct answer. There are million of stars in space. Go to next question. 16. Every day dash begins at 10:30 and finishes at 4. Options are school, a school, the school, none of these. So correct answer is school. Every day school begins. Every day school begins at 10:30 and finishes at 4. Correct option is A, school. Go to next question. Question number 17. Dash a problem in most cities. Dash a problem in most cities. Options are crime is, the crime is, the crimes are, crimes. So correct answer is crime is. Crime is a big problem in most cities. So correct answer is option number A. Crime is a big problem in most cities. Go to next question. 18. When dash invented. When dash invented. Options are was telephone, B wire telephones, C was telephone, D wire telephones. So correct option is was the telephone invented. When was the telephone invented? So correct option is C. When was the telephone invented? Go to next question. Question number 19. They visited. Options are Canada and United States. Second option, the Canada and the United States. C. Canada and the United States. D. The Canada and United States. So correct answer is C. Canada and the United States. They visited Canada and the United States. Go to next question. 20. Anupam is a student at. Options are Delhi University, the Delhi University, the University of Delhi. I would chhadi none of these. So correct answer is Anupam is a student at Delhi University. Option number A is the correct answer. Go to next question. What time dash on television? What time dash on television? Options are A is the news, B are the news, C is news, D some news. So correct answer is the news. Option A is the correct answer. What time is the news on television? So correct answer is the news. What time is the news on television? Go to next question. Question number 22. Let's stop and have a coffee. Dash cafe over there. Look. Let's stop and have a coffee. Dash cafe over there. Look. Options are is, it's, they are, there is. 22 correct answer is there is. Let's stop and have a coffee. There is cafe over there. Look. Option D is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 23. Everyone in the group hands with dash. Options are A each other, B one other, C one the other, D themselves. So correct answer is each other. Everyone, option number A. Everyone in the group shook hands with each other. Go to next question. Question number 24. The washing machine has broken down again. I think we should get. The washing machine has broken down again. I think we should get. Options are a new one, new one. Correct option is 24B, a new one. The washing machine has broken down. I think we should get a new one. Go to next question. 25. All the guests were dancing. Dash having a good time. All the guests were dancing. Dash having a good time. Options are all were. B. Everyone was. C. Everyone was. D. Someone were. So correct option is everyone was. All the guests were dancing. Everyone was having a good time. Correct option is C. ଏଇ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଆଜିର ବଛା ବଛା 25ଟି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ। କାହିଁକି ସିଟିବିଡ଼ିରେ ସମସ୍ତ ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ଏହା ବହୁତ ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ୍। ଇଂରାଜୀ ଆପଣ ଯେକୌଣସି ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ଦେବେ ଇଂଲିଶ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ରୋଲ୍ ପ୍ଲେ କରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ମାର୍କ ଆଣିବାରେ। ଯଦି ଏହି ଆମର ଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରୟାସ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କର ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ପାଇଁ ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ୍ କରିବାରେ। ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆମର ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଫାଇଟ୍ ଫର୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବରେ ଯାଇକି ଲେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ନହେଲେ ଏଇ ଲିଙ୍କ୍ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ତଳେ ସେ ଲିଙ୍କ୍ରେ ଯାଇକି ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଏବଂ ଯଦି କିଛି ତ୍ରୁଟି ରହୁଛି ସଜେସନ୍ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କମେଣ୍ଟ ବକ୍ସରେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଲେଖି ପଠାନ୍ତୁ। ଆମର ଏହି ଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରୟାସରେ ସହଯୋଗରେ ସାମିଲ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ। ଆଉ ଗୋଟିଏ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଛୋଟିଆ ଅନୁରୋଧ, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଶରେ ଦେଶ କାହିଁକି ସାରା ଦେଶ କାହିଁକି ସାରା ଭାରତ ସାରା ଦେଶ ସାରା ଦେଶ ସମୟ ଆସିଛି ଆମକୁ ସ୍ପିକ୍ ଅପ୍ ଫର୍ ଏଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ ଅନଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟମେଣ୍ଟ। ଆମର ସ୍ୱର ଉତ୍ତୋଳନ କରିବାର ଅଛି, ବେକାରୀ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ ସ୍ୱର ଉତ୍ତୋଳନ କରିବାର ଅଛି। ସୋସିଆଲ ମିଡ଼ିଆ ଆମେ ଆମର ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ୟୋର୍ ରାଇଟ୍ ଟୁ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟମେଣ୍ଟ, ଆମର ଅଧିକାର ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟମେଣ୍ଟ ଚାକିରି ଦେବାର ଅଧିକାର ଉପରେ ଆମେ ଆମର ନ୍ୟାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଦାବିକୁ ହାସଲ କରିବା। ସେ କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ସରକାର ହେଉ କି ରାଜ୍ୟ ସରକାର ହେଉ, ସେ ମୋଦି ସରକାର ହେଉ କି ନବୀନ ସରକାର ହେଉ, ଯେଉଁ ସରକାର ହେଉ ଆମ ସହିତ ସେ ସରକାର ସହିତ ମତଲବ ନାହିଁ। ଆମକୁ ଆମର ଚାକିରି କରିବାର ହକ୍ ଦିଅ। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଏହି ଅଭିଯାନରେ ସାମିଲ ହେବା ଏବଂ ଆମେ ଆମର ହାତ ମିଳାଇ ଆମେ ଆମର ନ୍ୟାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଅଧିକାରକୁ ସାବ୍ୟସ୍ତ କରିବା। ଏବଂ ଯେଉଁ ବାହାନା ଦେଖାଉଛନ୍ତି ବିଭିନ୍ନ ସରକାର ଚାକିରି ହେବନି, ଚାକିରି ବାହାର କରି ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ପଡ଼ି ରହିଥିବା ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ପୋଷ୍ଟକୁ ଆମକୁ ଭ୍ୟାକେନ୍ସିକୁ ଫିଲ୍ଅପ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ଆମେ ଆମର ଚାକିରି କରିବା। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ହାତକୁ ହାତ ମିଳାଇବା ଆଉ ଏ ଅଭିଯାନରେ ସାମିଲ ହେବା। ସୋ ସ୍ପିକ୍ ଅପ୍ ଏଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ ଅନଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟମେଣ୍ଟ ଲାଇଭ୍ ଅନ୍ ସୋସିଆଲ ମିଡ଼ିଆ, ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ୟୋର୍ ରାଇଟ୍ ଟୁ ଅନଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟମେଣ୍ଟ, କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସେୟାର। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏହି ଭିଡ଼ିଓକୁ ଆପଣ ବହୁ ମାତ୍ରାରେ ସେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ। ସୋସିଆଲ ମିଡ଼ିଆରେ ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ଆମର ଅଧିକାରକୁ ସାବ୍ୟସ୍ତ କରିବା। ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ। ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦିନଟି ଶୁଭ ଏବଂ ମଙ୍ଗଳମୟ ହେଉ।